Outfit check. Top from.
Hi.
Hey, top
From Uniqlo, Christy, TikTok, and outfit check.
Top from, I don't know. Ano, nakalimutan ko na yung brand.
Birdie.
Birdie. Then pants from Shopee. Shoes from, I think it's Shopee.
Yes.
Then bag from. What's your bag?
It's from Charles and outfit check.
Oh.
I don't want to wear my
Top from.
Top from Hukay. This is from Shopee. This skirt is from Shopee as well, and the boots are from H&M. For 890.
Ay, perfect. Boots?
Show my heels.
It's on sale. ID is from Wallet. Pero wala kaming ticket.
Sa Araneta kami for ano? For conference. Conference ba? Parang gano'n.
Wait, tara.
Okay guys, sa vlog.
My vlog.
Your vlog.
We're in Singapore.
It's already 1:26.
Ano? 126.
Nangaharang kasi.
Hindi pa kami kumakain. We need to eat.
Hanggang!
Yung Fiesta Carnival.
Ano ba?
Hey! We're here na sa loob.
Love will find you the same way that meaning will find the brand. I want you to shout the phrase. 3.
Yan sa target market na gusto kong mag-connect yung brand. Aro, at pag tama yung ginawa mong positioning, ganyan.
Together here with me
To share this.
Ala, Christina na! The concert girlie! Hi! We're done. Done for today's conference. Yung bigay sa amin. Maxi. Oh, pwede ba kumuha? Yung sa iba loot bag sa amin, Maxi Pill lang. It's Nutribus. Hindi mo lamig?
Saan mapupunta?
This is my first time trying this. Taste test. Parang gusto mo ba yung ano?
It's my first time. Pero I bought coffee. O, di ba? Caramel macchiato of 5 pumps of white mocha and extra caramel juice.
How much? Lahat lang.
Ay, hindi ko na tingnan.
Ay, gano'n. Okay. Sarap. Huwag mo na kaya sila.
Sigising tayo.
Sinusundan tayo ng amoy ng utot ko. Bilisan. Umutot kasi siya.
Ay, salamat.
Hindi. Hindi ko naman naamoy.
Naboy ko eh.
It's our first day of exam.
True, and definitely the last.
Last week of
Naglalabas na kayo sa
everything is so tagal. Deserve namin mag-Sunday today. Kasi may natapos na kaming one exam.
Ang subject?
PE! Last, ano namin ngayon? Last week of pasok. Last week of being a second year. Third year na kami next year. Bagay po sa kanya. Magkano bilhin mo ito? Gusto ko ng saucy. Should I buy saucy or punchy? Ay, naantay lang kami. Spanish latte. Sarap ang talaga ako sa Spanish latte sa season. It's very sarap. Order sa Alpe. Gosh, gutom na ako. Ang daming tao sa Gangteng, dito kami nauwi. Puno daw sa Gangteng. Kasi dapat mag-Gangteng kami. Pero puno. Ay, perfect. Oh. I'm here na sa MOA. And nagtitingin lang ako ng glasses. I don't know if this or this. So iniisip ko if ito or ito. I don't know. Hindi ko rin kung bagay sa akin. Fit check.